Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to replace the keyboard of an Lenovo G50-80 laptop or notebook. For that, just turn it upside down, remove the battery for safer side so that any screws won't fall on the motherboard and damage it. Remove these three screws here, 1, 2 and 3. Push it gently back. Here comes your compartment door. For that, now you can see the keyboard mark here. This is the keyboard mark. If you want to change the keyboard, we need to unscrew only this screw, here one and this one. There is a symbol here, you can see that tiny keyboard symbol, you can see 2, 3. Only these three screws need to be removed. That turns up tight. Take the tool, insert it here in this way side, and the keyboard pops up a little. Here locks are there, be careful with the locks. Just hold the keyboard in this way from one corner. Go on unlocking wherever it is holding. This is the keyboard. Push it backside in this way. You can access the connector easily. Remove the strip, connecting strip. Take your new keyboard. Here, insert it in this way. Slowly, gently. See here, you can see. Just zoom it a bit. Okay. Here, insert it in this way. Below the pins, you can see. This line should be straight. It should not go and cross in this way. See that it is straight. Insert it straightly. Lock it. Okay. Now take your keyboard in this way. Insert it at the bottom near the space bar first. On the space bar side first. This way. Just go on pressing here. This is fixed now. Fasten the screws from back side. Take the back cover or the compartment door. This is the door for cooling fan, heatsink. Removing the keyboard and RAM, etc. Fasten the screws. Switch your battery. For battery here, screws are there. Battery has grooves here, so these notches should fit in the screw in this way. Insert it in this way here. Now turn it here. Okay, we are done. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.